Welcome back to the Frost Sullivan Growth Podcast. Today, we're taking a strategic mid-year checkpoint across the healthcare and life sciences industry. As 2025 unfolds, clinical diagnostics, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and medical imaging are evolving rapidly. In this episode, we'll highlight the key trends shaping the rest of the year and set the stage for 2026 planning. From AI-driven solutions to decentralized care, healthcare is at a pivotal moment of growth, innovation, and resilience. Let's explore what leaders need to know to stay ahead.
Now let's dive into clinical diagnostics, where decentralization and precision testing are reshaping the market. The clinical diagnostics market is projected to reach over $110 billion this year. Growth is being driven by precision medicine, AI, and decentralized testing. That includes at-home and point-of-care diagnostics, which are becoming increasingly popular. Companies like Let's Get Checked and Everlywell are leading direct-to-consumer testing. Meanwhile, AI platforms from PathAI and Philips are improving diagnostic accuracy and workflow efficiency. Molecular diagnostics and liquid biopsies are gaining traction, particularly in oncology. As a healthcare leader, you might ask, are we leveraging at-home testing and AI? Can molecular diagnostics differentiate our offerings? And are our lab automation systems future-ready?
Next, let's turn our attention to pharmaceuticals, where R&D and emerging therapies are driving innovation. The pharmaceutical sector continues its R&D transformation. Global market growth is expected to exceed 7% CAGR through 2030. GLP-1 inhibitors like Ozempic and Wegovy are booming. M&A activity is rebounding too, with deals exceeding $18 billion early this year. AI is now mainstream in clinical trials, helping optimize protocols and improve patient recruitment. Emerging therapies, like radioligands, are opening new treatment frontiers. Regional supply chain strategies are becoming increasingly important for resilience. Leaders should reflect, is your R&D model optimized for AI and decentralized trials? Are you ready for supply chain localization? And how might emerging therapies reshape your long-term portfolio?
Shifting gears, let's explore medical devices, where personalization, robotics, and ecosystem expansion are creating new opportunities. Medical devices are projected to reach $801 billion by 2029. Innovation is strongest in clinical-grade wearables, surgical robotics, and AI-enhanced maintenance. Telesurgery adoption is expanding access, and patient-centric platforms are creating new care ecosystems. China's evolving procurement policies are also reshaping market opportunities. Key questions for leaders. Are you positioned to lead in personalized, AI-integrated device innovation? Is your pricing strategy ready for global shifts? And are you building care ecosystems that go beyond device manufacturing?
Now let's focus on medical imaging, where AI orchestration and sustainable innovation are reshaping diagnostics. Medical imaging is undergoing a digital and sustainable transformation. AI platforms are helping radiologists manage complex workflows. Radiopharmaceuticals and helium-free MRI systems are increasing efficiency while reducing costs. Mobile imaging is expanding access to underserved populations. Leaders should ask, are your imaging investments balancing AI integration with sustainability? Can radiopharmaceutical advancements unlock new clinical and commercial value? And are you prepared to expand into decentralized and mobile imaging?
Looking ahead, what does the second half of 2025 hold for healthcare leaders? Let's explore the strategic imperatives. Success this year will depend on scaling personalized and remote diagnostic solutions, integrating AI across workflows, navigating policy shifts, and pursuing M&A to accelerate innovation. Companies aligned with these dynamics will be best positioned for growth in 2026. Leaders should reflect, what steps are needed now to ensure resilience and transformation in your 2026 growth plan? How will today's strategic positioning influence your relevance in tomorrow's healthcare ecosystem?
Finally, let's talk about how your organization can lead transformation and turn insights into action. The future of healthcare belongs to those who act boldly. Engage with Frost & Sullivan experts to define AI-enabled use cases, explore unified platforms, and share your transformation story. Your next move? Turn strategic insight into enterprise action and position your organization to thrive in 2026 and beyond. That wraps up today's mid-year healthcare checkpoint. For more insights or to schedule a growth strategy session, Visit frost.com or email hello@frost.com. Let's build the next chapter of healthcare together.